How to get Newsbreak author access. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So to become an author on Newsbreak, you can join as either a contributor for individual writers and a publisher for media organizations. And here's how you can get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and join as a contributor, which is individual writer. This option is best for independent journalists, bloggers, and local content creators. So create an account and complete your profile by inputting all the information correctly, and then start publishing. Once your profile is complete, you can go ahead and start writing and submitting the articles. Newsbreak focuses on the local laws, so you can also write about stories that are important to your community and learn about monetization. To earn money from your articles, you need to meet certain requirements like having a minimum number of followers and published articles and following the Newsbreakers rule. Then after, apply for the publisher program and wait for approval. And if approved, you will get access to the publisher dashboard where you can upload your content, manage your profile, and see how well your content is performing. So focus on local content and follow the rules of Newsbreak and interact with your readers. And also don't forget to publish regularly. So this was all about it. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.